This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about faux succulents, specifically these plastic table art faux succulent arrangements. We have a few different styles to show you. We have our triangular glass terrarium, which you can see has these great triangular panels and this nice geometric design, kind of gives you the feel like a greenhouse. And then we have the hanging glass terrarium, which you can see has this nice natural shape to it, almost looks like a gourd. It's got a beautiful open hole in the front and this wonderful knotted hemp rope so you can hang it if you choose to, but it has a nice natural fiber to it. We have the Tetra porcelain planter. This one has a nice black porcelain base to it for a lovely sleek design with just a little bit of curve and style to it. We have the cement pot here in the back. This one is a nice brushed charcoal color, so it's just that kind of look of that classic terracotta pot and a nice dark color. And then we have some of the gravel concrete options, both the rectangle on the far end that has that nice geometric design to it. It's really angular and fun, and it's got that look of those tall grasses on top. So it's a nice bit of green and softness with also some nice sharp angles on the bottom. And finally, the gravel concrete round. So this one is very much heavy on the pot, and you can see it has that nice sloped design and adds just a little bit of green. So there's a lot of different style options. The glass ones come in the styles with the knotted ropes where you have this nice soft kind of natural curve, and also these geometric shapes. And we have the triangular one here, but there's also pentagons and hexagons as well. The planters come in various options like the porcelain, cement, and concrete. And there's some different colors in there too. So you have a wide variety of different options to choose from to really help liven up your space and add some green without the maintenance and upkeep of real plants. So you don't need to water these, there's no sunlight necessary, and they're gonna last for years. We have these high quality, lifelike leaves and succulents on them for a really realistic look that's just gonna add a little bit of green to your space. And you have various options for not only the planters that they're in, but there's also different things like dirt versus the gravel inside. So you can really customize the look to fit your space and fit your aesthetic. So these are perfect for not only restaurants, but also to use at your office or even at home, just to add a little bit of green to your space.